You're watching Peak Wellness, where we show you how to elevate your health and live life actively. Hi, I'm Tracy Miller, and in the next 30 minutes, we're going to take you on a journey through the valley to find your path to peak wellness. As you embark on your hike to health, taking the proper supplements and vitamins is essential and confusing. Now, we'll educate you on what your body needs to achieve peak wellness.
Welcome to Vail Valley Pharmacy, where we're much more than a pharmacy. We see patients for consultations on medical grade supplements, pharmaceutical grade supplements. We have a toy section that's fantastic, full of gifts, and we even sell wine. My wife and I started Vail Valley Pharmacy, and we wanted to be much more than a traditional pharmacy. We want to treat people based on their whole body, and nutrition, lifestyle is very important to keep you healthy in the long term. Most of the supplements you buy, they're ineffective, and that's the truth. And in New York City last year, they did a huge primary study where they pulled thousands of vitamins off the shelf, and over 90% of them were mislabeled, misbranded. They didn't have what they have on there. So if you're buying a vitamin, you need to be informed, because most of the time you're not getting what they're stating, and it could be dangerous, or you're just wasting your money. What we do at Vail Valley Pharmacy is we supply pharmaceutical grade and medical grade foods. So everything that I have, I've already done all the research on. So if you go to my website at vailvalleypharmacy.com, you'll see a whole selection of nutritional supplements that are pharmaceutical grade, and I can assure you, you're getting what you want and you're not wasting your money. On top of that, I can also help you make informed decisions on what you need. Call me, visit my website, instant message me, and I will help you make an informed decision. Here in the Vail Valley, we have a unique population where they have second homes up here. So the idea behind my website, vailvalleypharmacy.com, these patients can still go back home and order medical grade supplements, free shipped, auto shipped right to their house, so they can maintain their healthy lifestyle anywhere in the United States. We've been working with a YouTube channel to educate people on different disease states. It's a good way to get a 5 or 6 minute in-depth education on the pathophysiology of different disease states. So as a pharmacist, we get asked questions all the time about, I've got a cold, what can I take? And of course, there's Sudafed and traditional, you got the NyQuil, but there's a lot of things to boost your immune system, like echinacea and elderberry, really above the normal person's knowledge, and that's what we do here. I can get you back better faster. We're here for you to answer all those questions about your natural remedies as well as traditional. If you have an active lifestyle, remember 99.99% of head injuries come from sports other than the NFL. N-acetylcysteine is a great daily supplement to prevent lasting effects from a head injury. It increases stores of anti-inflammatories, which can help them get over a head injury faster. So along with the traditional pharmacy and gifts and pharmaceutical grade supplements, we also have a compounding pharmacy where we make medication. There's a lot of people that are allergic to dyes. There are people that take hormone replacement, but they don't want chemicals. We make medications here in a state-of-the-art facility with the best product you can get anywhere in the United States. Centrally located here in Edwards, Colorado, we have a ton of gifts. We have a great wine section. We're really working on our wine section, essential oils. And while you shop, we have a great kids corner with a playhouse, and kids can hang out. So please come by and think of us for more than just a pharmacy. Come in and see us at Vail Valley Pharmacy in Edwards, or visit our website so we can help you maintain your healthy and active lifestyle.
Taking vitamins and eating healthy are the keys to proper nutrition. Here's some simple tips on how you can get more fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. New national guidelines have bumped up the amount of fruits and vegetables we should eat daily to 9 cups. That's a lot. If you actually eat this amount, you'll feel full and healthy. Here are some tricks to attain that goal. Buy a good knife and learn a few different chopping techniques. Look through your market's sale items. Typically, fruits and veggies in season are on sale and taste their best. Recruit a buddy, share recipes, bring lunch for each other, laugh about how delicious celery really is. Up the steps from the Edwards Post Office is our next stop on our journey to wellness. A group of skilled providers collaborate to get you back to peak wellness and living an active lifestyle after a setback or an injury.
Welcome to Vail Integrative Medical Group, where we specialize in a wide variety of sports medicine and evidence-based treatments. Vail Integrative Medical Group is a team of professionals from various disciplines such as medical, physical therapy, chiropractic, and massage therapy, all working collaboratively for the greater good of the patient. Vail Integrative Medical Group has 3 offices. We are located in the Vitality Center in Vail Village, above the post office in Edwards, and in the Eagle Ranch Fitness Center in Eagle. Our main goal at VIMG is to return patients to their active lifestyle as fast as possible, and also to empower patients with techniques to prevent future problems. Vail Integrative Medical Group has an unparalleled list of services. We provide pain management and interventional pain management services and medical treatments, physical therapy, evidence-based sports chiropractic, massage therapy, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, dry needling, active release technique, and Graston technique. The VIMG concept is essentially a one-stop shop. This prevents the patient from having to see multiple providers in different locations who often don't communicate together. This saves the patient time and money and also ensures that the treating providers are on the same page, increasing the collaboration. Here at VIMG, we recognize the need in healthcare to partner with allied disciplines to work on the greater good of the patient. Not only does it save the patient time and money, but ensures faster results. The providers at VIMG have exceptional postgraduate degrees and are considered leaders in their individual disciplines. Our treatments at VIMG are evidence-based, which means current research drives our treatments and methodologies, therefore ensuring faster results. No 2 injuries are the same, just like no 2 patients are the same. Here at VIMG, we customize treatments based on individuals, based on their goals and needs. When an injury occurs, patients often don't know what treatments are available or most appropriate, and that's where we help. If all the components of an injury are not effectively treated, the chances of an injury returning are certainly greater. At VIMG, we establish treatments and protocols and methodologies to effectively treat all components of an injury, not just the patient's pain. During a proper evaluation and treatment of sports and spinal injuries, if each of these components are not properly addressed, the patient has a higher chance of re-injury. The staff at VIMG enjoys working with amateur and professional athletes from various sports, such as the NFL, NHL, PGA Tour, former and current Olympic athletes, and weekend warriors. We are also the official sports medicine providers for the Vail International Dance Festival. Here in the Vail Valley, our patients are obviously really active, and we see a variety of sports and spinal injuries. Some of the common things that we see are shoulder, elbow, and wrist problems, hip and knee and foot problems, along with spinal disorders as well. So if you're experiencing pain or recovering from an injury, or just looking for a second opinion, visit our website at vailhealth.com or give us a call today. We'd be happy to see you in any one of our 3 locations in Vail, Edwards, or Eagle, and get you on a program that's right for you. If you're looking for world-class care for fast and efficient results, give us a call today. Vail Integrative Medical Group. Relief, recovery, rehabilitation, results.
Recovering from injury can be tough on the body and tough on the mind. Getting proper care and living with mindfulness can help you achieve peak wellness. Still to come, how to live with mindfulness, tips on fighting the aging process, and how to eat right for your body. You're watching Peak Wellness. Stick around. Skipping up our path to peak wellness and cruising down the street in Edwards, we come to a provider that is pioneering the process in which we slow down aging and speed up recovery.
ThriveMD is a regenerative medicine clinic. We have 2 major focuses. The first is the use of adult stem cells for the treatment of orthopedic injuries and conditions. The second is the use of natural bioidentical hormone replacement therapy to help patients feel younger and more energetic through the aging process. Stem cell therapy is a treatment for people suffering from joint, ligament, tendon, or low back pain. The treatment allows people to decrease their pain, increase their mobility, and potentially avoid a major surgery. Adult stem cells are considered autologous, or from your own body. They're found in two rich areas. The first being the fat tissue, or adipose tissue. That's the richest source of stem cells in the body, and most of the stem cells that we harvest come from that fat. The second area is bone marrow, and bone marrow provides less stem cells, but provides some of the growth factors necessary to help in the healing process. Stem cells help to naturally help the body heal. They neutralize inflammation, they can stop the degenerative process, and even rebuild tissue that's been damaged. The majority of the patients we see are for chronic degenerative conditions. Patients trying to avoid a major replacement of a joint such as a hip or a knee, or trying to avoid a spinal fusion. But this procedure is not just for chronic conditions, it's also for many of the acute injuries that we're seeing in athletes. Professional athletes such as Peyton Manning and Rafael Nadal have been benefiting from stem cell therapies for a number of years. This treatment, however, is for anybody that's got an injury, chronic arthritis, or even an acute injury to the tendon or ligament, or even a lumbar disc segment. Injecting a spinal disc segment is a very technical and potentially dangerous procedure. I've had 20 years of experience doing interventional spinal injections and have probably injected nearly 10 to 20,000 discs in my career. This has given me an experience to make this procedure as safe as it possibly can be for the patients having this procedure done. I recently saw a patient that we were going to treat for a lumbar disc degenerative problem, and he had an acute bicycle accident about 2 weeks prior to his scheduled procedure. We ended up treating a torn tendon in his shoulder as well as the lumbar disc segment, and within 2 months that patient was back riding his bicycle and pretty much pain-free. Stem cell therapy is probably one of the most rewarding things I've done in medicine. I can't even explain how exciting it is to see patients that have been sidelined and are back enjoying their sports and the rest of their life after having one of these procedures. There's virtually no medical risk to this procedure. The only potential minimal side effect or risk is the minute potential for infection, which is no greater than having blood drawn. The difference between a stem cell procedure and a traditional surgery is A, doesn't require a general anesthetic to have a stem cell procedure done, and B, you're back to doing the things that you love to do in a fraction of the time with a stem cell procedure. Patients typically notice improvement somewhere in the 4 to 12 week window, but they continue to have ongoing improvement out to a year following one of these procedures. People choose Thrive MD because we're passionate about the way stem cells are changing the way we practice medicine. We achieve success at Thrive MD through two factors. One, making sure that we have a high cell count, which is achieved by using adipose tissue for the harvest. And secondly, that we use excellent image-guided injection to make sure that those cells reach their target. This provides the patient the best possible outcome. Our goal at Thrive MD is to get patients back to enjoying the activities they love and to live life well.
Peak wellness can be achieved with the assistance of professionals. For the second part of our wellness journey, we'll tell you how mindfulness can help reduce stress, that oral health is vital to overall body health, and we'll give you tips on how to eat right. So fill up your water bottle, do a couple of stretches, and hang out for the second part of our journey to peak wellness. Years ago, people used to say, "Stop and smell the roses," when encouraging someone to take a break and enjoy their surroundings. Now, this is a practice called mindfulness. Mindfulness is a mental state achieved by focusing on the present state. It involves paying attention on purpose, and some of its effects include achieved balance and creativity and a reduction of stress. Studies have shown that a beautiful, healthy smile exudes confidence. Let's meet Dr. Dorothy Distelhorst of Streamside Dental and find out how a beautiful smile not only exudes confidence, but helps with your overall health.
Welcome to Streamside Dental. We provide excellent dental care for the families and people of Eagle County and Summit County. We are located in East Vail, just off of I-70. We're about a 5-minute drive from the town of Vail. Here at Streamside Dental, we really strive to help people get a healthy mouth. And we do that through the different services that we provide, through regular cleaning, maintenance, fillings, crowns, veneers. We have a specialist that comes and works in our office, Dr. Lee Kolke. He is a prosthodontist. He helps people with partial dentures, more complex implant cases, as well as working with the oral surgeon to provide teeth in a day. We also have a procedure called a nap that uses a laser that helps people get their gums healthy, and it can also regrow bone, and we're very excited about that. It differs from conventional gum treatment in that we don't use a scalpel, and there's much less bleeding, and also that we're using the body to help heal itself. For our patients that have excess gum, or what is known as a gummy smile, we offer a procedure called a cosmetic gum lift. We use a laser to trim away the excess gum. The procedure is very similar to a nap in that we use a laser instead of a scalpel. There is less pain and less bleeding with using a laser. Dental hygiene is so important. It helps maintain the health of your mouth and the foundation for your teeth and your smile. We have an excellent hygienist here, and she helps people learn where they might be missing when they're brushing their teeth and flossing. We find a lot of times people think they're doing a really good job to only find out that they're only brushing their teeth and not paying any attention to their gums. And their gums and their bone structure is what keeps their teeth in. And without that being healthy, then people start to lose teeth and have bigger problems. When people neglect their oral health, it can lead to bigger problems in the future. Gum disease, where they can get bone loss and lose their teeth. The cavity portion, they can get deep cavities where they can end up needing a root canal, or they may even lose their tooth because there's so much of the tooth that's been destroyed by a cavity that we can't save it, and then that leads to more extensive dental treatment. So we try to help keep people from having that happen to them. It has a lot to do with diet, what they do at home. So we try to educate people on that. When our patients come in, we love to give them specific individualized tips on how to keep their mouths healthy, depending on the person's individualized needs. Our staff at Streamside Dental is awesome. They have excellent skills, and they care so much about creating a comfortable environment for our patients. We are continually updating our skills through education to provide better service for our patients. If you'd like to make an appointment, please give us a call or visit our website. And we are even offering a complimentary oral evaluation if you mention that you saw us on TV 8. Here at Streamside Dental, we work together as a team to inspire health and to provide excellent service in a professional and caring environment. Our mission here at Streamside Dental is to have you leave our office with a happy, healthy, bright, confident smile.
Dr. Dorothy and her team here at Streamside Dental make you feel comfortable in the chair while working gently on your teeth. What you eat not only affects your mouth, but your overall body health. Still to come, we'll talk to a nutritionist about digestion. Our last stop on our journey to peak wellness is how to eat for a healthy stomach and to navigate the world of real food.
I'm Dr. Penny, and I have a question for you. Do you have the guts to be healthy? I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, and I have a PhD in kinesiology, which is a deep study of the human body. I focus on helping women with digestive issues because it's a problem that's close to my heart, or rather my gut. I've been dealing with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, for about 14 years. My journey has led me to want to help other women get a handle on their symptoms and live a great life. Symptoms of digestive problems include gas, pain, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation, just to name a few. Typically, you don't know what you can and can't eat, and your days revolve around going to the bathroom. You lose hours each day because of pain, bloating, and all of the other things that go along with that. You just can't live the life that you want to live. Because digestive issues can be very isolating, a lot of times you think that you're the only one dealing with that problem. I want people to be able to talk about them, because if we can't talk about them, we can't get them healed. If you're having digestive problems, you can go to my website and sign up to get a free copy of the symptom log. It's eatingforperformance.com/free log. Keeping a symptom log can help you zero in on the triggers that are causing your symptoms. Did you know that symptoms from foods can take up to 3 days to show up? So keeping that symptom log allows us to really do some detective work and track back at what could be causing our symptoms. If you're not able to digest and absorb your foods, which is really based on the health of your whole GI tract, then you're not getting the nutrition that you need out of those foods. That includes proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, all those things that we hear about that we need every day. More and more people are dealing with digestive issues, and part of that is because the food that we're eating. We're eating food that we weren't really meant to eat. We're eating food that's highly processed, laden with sugar. Those things actually lead to inflammation in the gut, which then affects your digestion and absorption. I focus on getting real food onto the plate with people in ways that are easy, fast, and tasty. One of my clients tried to eat right and exercise. She loves to hike, ski, snowshoe, do all those great things that we have to do here in the Vail Valley. But she would just have random bouts of bloating, gas, and diarrhea. She never knew what was causing her symptoms. Through some testing and using the symptom log that she kept, we were able to figure out what her triggers were that were causing her symptoms. Once we were able to address her triggers, she stopped having symptoms. She now knows what she can and can't eat. She can go out and socialize with her friends and family more, and she can work out and not worry about what her stomach's going to do. My goal is to keep you healthy and active. Even if you don't have chronic symptoms, even if you just have occasional symptoms, that could be an indication that something's bigger may be lurking in the background. Visit my website where you can get the free symptom log, and you can also check out my blog and all of the other resources I have available. I'm Dr. Penny, and I'd be excited to get you on your path to healing.
Eating the right foods is necessary for overall health. Still to come, we're going to cool down and show you some simple stretches that will keep you active and feeling young. When it comes to your health, exercise isn't an option, it's a necessity. Stretching and strength training play an important role in wellness. Stretching improves your range of motion, helps with coordination, and reduces your chance of injury. Squats, lunges, push-ups, and sit-ups are a few simple, no equipment required strength training exercises. Start off slow, then increase intensity as your body gets stronger. We hope we've inspired you to live your life to peak wellness. For TV8, I'm Tracy Miller. Thanks for watching.